Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is August the 2nd, it's Friday, and it's Super Doubles at our grocery store. So I went to Harris Teeter to take advantage of some deals. Also in yesterday's grocery haul, I was toying around with spending the extra $30 that I didn't use at a doctor's appointment in order to get us some fruits and veg. And so I went ahead and exercised that right today and got a few things. So let me share with you. So this is a bonus grocery haul to include some Super Double deals. So let me share with you. I went to Aldi here, and then I went to Harris Teeter over here. So at Aldi, I picked up some sliced mushrooms at $1.39. Picked up some blackberries. They were $1.79. Blueberries were $1.69. Raspberries were $2.69 and strawberries were $1.79. Picked up Jackson 3 pounds of apples for $3.49. Spinach was $1.39. Green beans were $1.49, and then peaches were $1.78. We also picked up a few of these mini cucumbers for, I think they were $1.49, and then zucchini was $1.29. So over at Aldi, I ended up spending $23. Right? So I had $30. I ended up spending $23 at Aldi. Then I went over to Harris Teeter and picked up a few things. The only thing I did not get off of the grocery list that Alana made for me was their wraps, their low carb wraps. They did not have the ones we normally get, but I did look at these. These have 5 net grams of carbs per serving, which is about the same as the ones we get from Mission. We get the 4, 5, or the 6 grams depending on the size. So I picked those up at $2.99. Then I jumped into some Super Doubles. So this is where I picked up these. Again, these were 2 for $4. I had a 50-cent off coupon that doubled to $1. So I got each box of these for $1. So 3 boxes for $1. They were regular price at $3.99. So I got them for $1 each. The next thing I picked up were these poise liners. These were $3.99. I ended up having a $2 coupon that doubled to $4. So this was free. These Carefree liners were $3.99, buy one get one free, so $2 each. And I had a $1 off coupon that doubled to $2, so those were free. These OB tampons were $8.99, buy one get one free, so $4.50 each. I had a $2 off that doubled to $4, so I paid 50 cents each for 3 boxes of those. So those were the things that I got using my coupons. But then I just so happened to see these Birch blenders, Just Add Water pancake and waffle mix. These are the chocolate chip ketos. These 9 grams of protein, 6 net grams of carbs. And then here's another one that's 5 net grams of carbs, 9 grams of protein. This is just plain, so without the chocolate chips. And these were $6.99 a piece. So I've seen these where you can buy them at Target. I've never seen them at my grocery store before, so I went ahead and picked those up. So for Harris Teeter, I ended up spending $21. That was 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All of those were free. So 20 plus tax was $21. And of course, this probably will last me 2 weeks, so I won't have to buy that again. So I had $15. Let me see. I had an extra $15 that I found in my checking account from July. So that only put me out of pocket $6. So out of my $58 that I had in my grocery budget, only $6 was spent on this out of my August money. I had $15 left in my account from July, so $6 was spent out of my August money. So that puts my grocery budget down to $52. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out my sheet to compensate for all of the groceries, but we could not go a whole week without fresh. I think we just used our last bag of broccoli. I have 2 bags of cauliflower and 4 cans of green beans. So we had to have some things here. So I was glad to be able to pick those up. So anywho, there it is. There you have it. Our quick fill-in grocery haul. and super doubles deals right over there. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.